Today we're going to do beginner to Look OLL. First step of to Look OLL, making the cross. So there's 3 cases. 1, the dot, 2 edges, and the line, and the cross itself. So we have the dot case. The way you recognize it is just one whole dot right here. And to perform the algorithm, you need to do it at any angle. You can do it any angle, it doesn't matter. Then you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and you're done. 2 edges case. The way you do it is by putting the 2 edges to the bottom right, and you recognize it by seeing 2 edges like this and not in a line shape. So let's start. Do wide F, then R, then U, then R prime, then U prime, then F prime. Last case you can get, which is the line case. The way you recognize it is by seeing a horizontal line. It cannot be like this, but it should be like this. And this is how you perform the algorithm. Do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. The second step of to Look OLL, solving the top side. So let's start. There are 7 cases in this second step. And the first case is the zoom. The way you recognize it is by seeing a big block here and a yellow sticker on the 3rd layer right here. Then there's 2 edges right here. And the way you do it is move it out like this. Then you move it once again like that. Then you move this up. Then you can move it back again. It's the anti-zoom case. It's like the zoom, except the block is on the right side, and the yellow sticker on the 3rd layer is on the left side. That's how you recognize it. So you do move it out like that, then you move it away from this side, then you do L prime, then do U2, then you can move it down. This is the 2 headlights case, and the way you recognize it is by seeing these 2 headlights. Then you move it and you will see headlights on the front. Then you do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, then repeat it again, then again, then you're done. One headlight case, which is what I call it, because there's only 1 headlights like this, and there's no headlights on the other side. So you should put the headlights on the left and no headlights on the right. So let's do the algorithm. You move R, then do a U2, then you move the other side back to where the other one is, like that. Then you do a U prime move, then you move it back again, then you insert it, then you move back, then you can insert the other one. The way you recognize this case is by seeing a completely almost filled yellow side. Then you will see a yellow sticker here, and you have to do it like this. Wide R, then U, then R prime, then U, then you move this whole side down, then you can do F move like that, then you move this back to solve it, then you move this. It looks similar to the last case, but it's not, because there's no yellow sticker on the left side. Instead, there's a headlights on the left side. So let's do the algorithm. You take out the pair like this, then you move it, then you remove it like that, then you move a U2, then you do R, U, R prime. Then you think it like F2L pair and do U2, then insert it like F2 here. So the way you recognize it is by seeing two blocks like here, and you see a yellow sticker on the right side. So you do F like this, then move R, then do a U, then you see this cool case, then do R prime, then you insert it in like this way, then you can move the R later on, like that.